The check pawl is part of your roofing nailer's nail feed system. The check pawl spring holds the check pawl tightly against the nails so they feed properly. Over time, the spring can weaken, causing play in the check pawl and potential nail feed issues. Replacing the check pawl spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the hinge pin. I'll use a small punch to tap the hinge pin out of the retainer and mount. Now I'll carefully remove the punch so I don't lose the other parts. And I'll remove the retainer. Now I can remove the pawl. The pawl's held in place with another hinge pin. I'll use a punch to get the hinge pin started and a small screwdriver to pry it away. Then I can remove the pawl and the pawl spring. Now I can install the new pawl spring. And I'll reinstall the pawl. I'll align the pawl with the body and onto the spring. I'll hold it in place as I reinstall the hinge pin. I'll place the retainer into the recess on the casting. I'll align the straight leg of the spring with the groove in the back of the latch. I'll hold that in place and align the latch with the casting, looping the hooked part of the spring around this part of the casting. I'll align the hinge pin hole in the casting with the hinge pin hole in the latch and insert the hinge pin. And now you can install a new check pawl spring on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.